Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest for y'all. I told y'all I'm in St. Barts and I met this guy, Jeffrey Goins, and I wanted to introduce you to him and his services because a lot of you are very interested in traveling. You know, it's all black, everything on this channel. So I'm going to let him introduce himself, tell you a little bit about what he does. The house I previewed earlier. I will be previewing the house later in the video. You'll see that. But yeah, Jeffrey, so introduce yourself to my audience.
Hi everybody, Jeffrey Goins, Go Elite Travels, villa rental company, vacation villas, full service travel company. Anything you need, I make it happen. Just have a passport.
So where exactly do you have villas? Just here in St. Barts?
No, all over the world. St. Barts, St. Martin, French side and Dutch side, Antigua, Turks and Caicos, Barbados, Bali, Thailand, Phuket, Koh Samui, Colombia, Cartagena, Jamaica. You know,
a lot of places.
Many places.
Okay, so y'all can find Jeffrey on Instagram. I will add his information to the video. So I want to talk to you about, we had a conversation the other day about being Black American and traveling. I think it's very amazing and interesting that you're Black American and here you are renting villas in this beautiful country when half of us don't even like leave our city, our state, our block.
Yeah.
Let's just be honest.
Yeah.
So yeah, tell us a little bit about why.
Why? Well, for me, you know, the world is a lot more vast. It's a lot bigger than what they told us it was.
Yeah.
And they told us that we can't do certain things, but the fact is that we can. So, you know, just get a passport if you don't already have one, and, you know, be adventuresome, because it's really, people think that they can't afford it, but that's just not true. You know, because like this villa that you just, you know, shot, that you'll be showing later, they'll see how really affordable it is.
So for this villa, how much a week, let's say, is this villa?
This is 3 bedrooms, so it sleeps 6 people. It's $5,470 a week plus tax.
Okay.
So really, if you do the math, you know, that's split by 6 people.
Yeah.
So, or if you split it by bedroom, it comes out to like $86 a night per.
Wow.
No, like even less than that. I think it comes out to like $780 per bedroom for the week.
For the week.
For the week.
Wow.
So, you know, if you want to take a little vacation and you have $1,000 laying around, you can have this villa for the whole week.
Yeah.
You know, the beach is right there.
Yes, it's beautiful.
That's called, it used to be called Shell Beach. Now it's called Plage de Grand Gaillet. You know,
so
it's all here for you.
Yeah.
You know,
like you said, it's affordable. It can happen. People do it every day, but the world taught us
that we can't.
Especially as Black Americans, you know, a lot of the times they taught us that we should be happy to be there and, you know, struggle to live forever.
Survive.
Survival.
And not live.
Survival.
Yeah, not live.
Yeah,
survive.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Again, this is why I wanted to preview this villa, because I have a lot of subscribers all over the world, a lot of Black American women who would love to travel, but they think they can't.
Right.
They think they can't afford it. They think they can't live, they can't stay at a nice villa or at a nice place. And I wanted them to know that you can.
You definitely can.
Get
I mean, if you think
together.
about it, villas like this, you know, let's say, you know, some are like $5,000 a week, some are $7,000 a week, so that's $1,000 a night, you know, for the villa. But if 3 people split that, that's what, $333 a night.
Yeah.
Per couple.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or if you get 2 people and you're splitting that, it's nothing. It's more expensive to drive down the Jersey Shore, or it's more expensive to go out to those beaches in Long Island and go to get a hotel room. It's cheaper to get a villa.
Yeah.
And it's more luxurious. You have your own pool, your own hot tub, housekeeping every day. So you have all the amenities of a hotel, but you have your own house. It's private, you know, privacy.
Yeah.
You know, and then you have a concierge like myself to take care of you while you're here.
Mm-hmm.
So we make restaurant reservations for you, recommendations,
He gave me a lot of recommendations for places to eat. Y'all seen it in the previous videos I posted this week.
Yeah, she's been to Nikki Beach. She's been to Pearl Beach. She's been to Shalona. She's been to Tamarin. She's been around.
I've been around, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it here. And I would just want to say I appreciate your concierge service.
Well, thank you.
And I know a lot of my ladies would appreciate it too, because you know we feel more comfortable with our own sometimes, especially in dealing with things like this.
For sure.
You know. So it was great interviewing you, Jeffrey.
Thank you for having me.
Okay. And as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden, because there's no other way to live it.
Show you the first bedroom.